Your neighbor bought their SUV the same month you did, but while you're on a first-name basis with your service advisor, they haven't seen a repair shop except for routine oil changes. Across parking lots nationwide sit SUVs with odometers showing 150,000 miles, 200,000 miles, even 300,000 miles that have never experienced a mechanical failure requiring unscheduled repairs. These bulletproof machines continue operating flawlessly year after year, while their owners enjoy stress-free transportation that never involves emergency roadside assistance calls or unexpected repair bills. Engineering excellence and manufacturing precision have created automotive legends that refuse to break down regardless of how their owners use or abuse them. While other SUVs turn ownership into expensive gambles, these 8 vehicles transform transportation into predictable, reliable experiences that last decades. These aren't theoretical reliability ratings or marketing promises. These are proven performers with failure rates so low they approach statistical impossibility. 1 point. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner stands as the undisputed champion of automotive reliability, with mechanical integrity so legendary that used examples with 300,000 miles command prices that shock buyers accustomed to typical depreciation patterns. This body-on-frame SUV represents engineering philosophy that prioritizes durability over complexity, creating vehicles that operate flawlessly long after competitors have been scrapped. The naturally aspirated V6 engine demonstrates reliability that borders on the supernatural through design simplicity that avoids every technology trend that creates problems in competitors. No turbochargers to fail, no direct injection to clog, no variable valve timing to malfunction. Just proven engineering principles applied with manufacturing precision that creates engines capable of operating for decades without major intervention. Transmission reliability reaches mythical status through the 5-speed automatic that operates with mechanical simplicity that ensures consistent performance regardless of operating conditions. This transmission design has remained fundamentally unchanged for years because Toyota engineers understand that reliability matters more than gear count when creating vehicles intended to last lifetimes. Off-road capability enables adventures that would destroy competitors while maintaining mechanical integrity that allows owners to explore confidently without worrying about expensive recovery operations. The simple transfer case, solid rear axle, and robust suspension components endure abuse that would sideline more sophisticated systems without requiring repairs or adjustments. Electrical system reliability excels through design philosophy that minimizes complexity while maximizing functionality. The 4Runner avoids electronic systems that aren't essential for operation, instead relying on proven technologies that have demonstrated reliability across millions of vehicles and decades of real-world operation. Interior durability reflects material selection that prioritizes longevity over luxury appearance, creating cabin environments that resist wear and maintain functionality throughout extended ownership periods. Controls operate consistently year after year while maintaining the tactile feedback that ensures reliable operation regardless of weather conditions or driver glove usage. Maintenance requirements remain minimal through engineering that eliminates systems requiring frequent service while designing necessary maintenance procedures for simplicity and affordability. Oil changes, brake service, and basic inspections constitute the majority of service requirements throughout the vehicle's operational lifetime. Fuel system reliability avoids the complex injection technologies that create problems in modern vehicles, instead utilizing proven port injection that operates reliably without requiring specialized cleaning procedures or premium fuel requirements that add ongoing costs and complexity. Climate control operates through simple systems that prioritize reliability over automatic sophistication, providing effective heating and cooling through mechanical systems that owners can understand and technicians can service using basic tools and procedures. Resale values remain strong throughout the vehicle's lifespan due to reputation for reliability that makes used 4Runners more desirable than new competitors. Owners often discover their vehicles retain value so well that upgrading becomes economically unnecessary rather than financially advantageous. 2. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX combines Toyota reliability DNA with luxury appointments to create an SUV that delivers premium experiences without sacrificing the mechanical integrity that makes long-term ownership possible. This body-on-frame luxury SUV proves that sophisticated comfort and bulletproof reliability can coexist when manufacturers prioritize engineering excellence over cost reduction. The naturally aspirated V8 engine provides smooth power delivery through proven technology that avoids turbocharging complexity while maintaining performance that satisfies luxury buyer expectations. This engine design has operated flawlessly across hundreds of thousands of vehicles, creating confidence levels that allow owners to plan extended adventures without mechanical concerns. Transmission reliability excels through engineering that balances sophisticated operation with mechanical simplicity that ensures consistent performance throughout the vehicle's operational lifetime. The 6-speed automatic operates smoothly while avoiding the complexity that creates problems in transmissions with more gear ratios. Suspension system durability enables serious off-road capability while maintaining luxury ride quality that satisfies premium buyer expectations. The kinetic dynamic suspension system adjusts to terrain conditions while maintaining mechanical integrity that allows confident exploration without worrying about expensive repairs in remote locations. Interior quality combines luxury materials with construction techniques that ensure durability throughout extended ownership periods. Every surface, control, and component maintains functionality and appearance that justifies the vehicle's premium positioning while resisting the wear patterns that plague less carefully constructed competitors. Technology integration provides modern convenience features while maintaining the simplicity that ensures reliable operation regardless of environmental conditions or system age. Essential functions remain accessible through physical controls while advanced features operate without creating dependency that could leave owners stranded. Electrical system design prioritizes reliability through proven components and conservative engineering that avoids bleeding-edge technologies until they've demonstrated long-term reliability in other applications. This approach ensures consistent electrical operation without the mysterious failures that frustrate owners of more technologically aggressive competitors. Climate control effectiveness operates through systems designed for consistent performance in extreme conditions while maintaining the simplicity that ensures reliable operation throughout the vehicle's service life. Manual overrides remain available for all functions, providing backup operation when automatic systems might malfunction. Off-road capability enables adventures that would challenge specialized vehicles while maintaining mechanical integrity that allows confident exploration without concerns about expensive recovery operations or damage to sophisticated systems that can't be repaired in remote locations. Service requirements remain predictable and affordable through engineering that eliminates systems requiring frequent attention while designing necessary maintenance procedures for execution by technicians worldwide using standard tools and readily available parts. 3. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot demonstrates that three-row family SUVs can achieve exceptional reliability without sacrificing practicality or affordability, creating ownership experiences that eliminate transportation anxiety while providing space and capability for growing families. This mainstream SUV proves that reliability excellence doesn't require luxury pricing when manufacturers focus on engineering integrity. Engine reliability reaches extraordinary levels through naturally aspirated V6 design that avoids complexity while providing adequate performance for family transportation needs. The proven engine architecture operates consistently throughout extended ownership periods without requiring major repairs or interventions beyond scheduled maintenance procedures. Transmission performance demonstrates Honda's commitment to durability through engineering that prioritizes consistent operation over marketing-friendly gear counts. The 9-speed automatic operates smoothly while avoiding the programming complexity that creates problems in competitors attempting to optimize efficiency through overly sophisticated control strategies. Interior durability reflects material selection that withstands family use while maintaining appearance and functionality throughout extended ownership periods. Children, pets, cargo, and daily wear fail to compromise interior quality that continues looking and operating like new years after purchase. Electrical system reliability excels through conservative engineering that incorporates proven technologies rather than experimental features that could create problems during ownership. Essential functions operate consistently while convenience features provide reliability that allows owners to depend on them for daily use. Safety system operation provides protection without creating false alarms or intrusive interventions that annoy drivers during normal operation. The Honda Sensing Suite operates transparently while providing genuine safety benefits that enhance rather than complicate the driving experience. All-wheel drive capability provides confidence in adverse weather conditions while maintaining fuel economy that makes year-round operation affordable. The system operates automatically when traction assistance is needed while avoiding mechanical complexity that could create reliability issues during extended operation. Climate control effectiveness ensures passenger comfort throughout all seasons while operating through systems designed for reliability rather than sophistication. Simple controls provide predictable operation while automatic functions work logically to maintain desired cabin conditions. Cargo capability accommodates family transportation needs while maintaining interior flexibility that adapts to changing requirements throughout ownership. Seat folding mechanisms operate smoothly year after year while maintaining secure mounting that ensures safety during dynamic driving situations. Maintenance requirements remain straightforward and affordable through engineering that eliminates systems requiring frequent attention while designing necessary service procedures for execution by any qualified technician using standard tools and readily available parts throughout Honda's extensive dealer network. For Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester achieves reliability excellence through engineering simplicity that prioritizes consistent operation over marketing sophistication, creating compact SUV ownership experiences that eliminate mechanical anxiety while providing capability that exceeds expectations based on modest exterior dimensions and mainstream pricing. All-wheel drive reliability sets industry standards through symmetrical system design that operates continuously without the complexity that creates failures in part-time systems. This mechanical simplicity ensures consistent traction capability while avoiding electronic complications that could compromise reliability during adverse conditions when dependability becomes critical. Engine durability demonstrates exceptional longevity through naturally aspirated boxer design that eliminates turbocharging complexity while providing adequate performance for most driving situations. The horizontally opposed engine configuration provides low center of gravity benefits while maintaining mechanical simplicity that ensures consistent operation throughout extended ownership periods. Interior practicality maximizes space utilization within compact exterior dimensions while maintaining materials quality that resists wear throughout family use. Storage solutions accommodate varied cargo requirements while seat comfort satisfies long-distance travel needs without requiring luxury-level pricing to achieve satisfaction. Safety system reliability operates without false alarms or system failures that could compromise protection when needed most. EyeSight driver assistance functions transparently while providing genuine safety benefits that enhance rather than complicate driving experiences for owners who prefer maintaining control. Electrical system design prioritizes essential functions while avoiding complexity that creates reliability problems in more sophisticated competitors. Climate control, lighting, and convenience features operate consistently throughout vehicle lifespan while maintaining manual backup options for critical functions. Fuel economy achievements consistently meet or exceed EPA estimates through efficient engine design and lightweight construction that optimizes consumption without requiring hybrid complexity that could create reliability concerns during extended ownership periods. Maintenance simplicity keeps ownership costs predictable through engineering that eliminates systems requiring frequent service while designing necessary procedures for execution by technicians worldwide using standard tools and readily available parts. Ground clearance capability enables light off-road adventures while maintaining on-road comfort that makes daily driving pleasant rather than compromised. The raised riding position provides visibility benefits while maintaining stability that ensures confident handling in various driving conditions. Build quality consistency ensures that every Forester operates identically regardless of production date or assembly location, creating owner experiences that match expectations based on brand reputation rather than varying due to manufacturing inconsistencies that plague some competitors. 5. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX surprises luxury SUV buyers by delivering Honda reliability wrapped in premium appointments that justify luxury pricing, while maintaining mechanical integrity that ensures long-term ownership satisfaction. This three-row luxury SUV demonstrates that sophisticated features and bulletproof reliability can coexist when manufacturers apply engineering excellence consistently. Engine performance provides smooth power delivery through naturally aspirated V6 design that avoids turbocharging complexity while maintaining acceleration that satisfies luxury buyer expectations. The proven engine architecture operates consistently throughout extended ownership periods while requiring only routine maintenance procedures. Transmission reliability demonstrates Honda's engineering excellence through 10-speed automatic design that operates smoothly while avoiding the programming complexity that creates problems in competitors attempting to optimize efficiency through overly sophisticated control strategies that compromise durability. All-wheel drive system capability provides genuine traction advantages while maintaining fuel economy that makes daily operation affordable despite luxury positioning. The super-handling all-wheel drive operates predictably while enhancing rather than complicating driving dynamics in various conditions. Interior luxury combines premium materials with Honda build quality that ensures durability throughout extended ownership periods. Every surface, control, and component maintains functionality and appearance while resisting wear patterns that compromise luxury experiences in less carefully constructed competitors. Technology integration balances advanced capability with intuitive operation that doesn't require technical expertise to utilize effectively. The infotainment system provides comprehensive functionality while maintaining physical controls for essential functions that ensure reliable operation regardless of software status. Safety system operation provides comprehensive protection without creating false alarms or intrusive interventions that frustrate drivers during normal operation. Acura Watch operates transparently while providing genuine safety benefits that enhance confidence rather than creating dependency on automated systems. Electrical system reliability reflects Honda's conservative approach to electronic integration that incorporates proven technologies rather than experimental features that could create problems during ownership. Essential functions operate consistently while convenience features provide dependability that allows owners to rely on them daily. Climate control effectiveness ensures passenger comfort throughout all seasons while operating through systems designed for reliability rather than sophistication that could compromise consistent performance. Manual overrides remain available for all functions while automatic operation works logically. Maintenance requirements remain predictable through engineering that eliminates systems requiring frequent attention while designing necessary service procedures for execution by qualified technicians using standard tools and readily available parts throughout Acura's extensive dealer network. 6. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid achieves the seemingly impossible combination of exceptional fuel economy and bulletproof reliability that demonstrates hybrid technology reaching maturity levels where complexity no longer compromises dependability. This three-row SUV proves that environmental responsibility and mechanical integrity can reinforce rather than conflict with each other. Hybrid powertrain reliability surpasses even Toyota's naturally aspirated engines through design maturity that has eliminated early hybrid technology problems while maintaining efficiency advantages that justify the system complexity. The integration between gasoline engine and electric motors operates seamlessly throughout hundreds of thousands of miles without requiring intervention. Battery system longevity exceeds owner expectations through thermal management and charge control systems that protect battery chemistry throughout extended operation cycles. Many owners report original battery packs operating effectively after 200,000 miles while maintaining efficiency levels that justify continued operation rather than requiring replacement. Engine design incorporates Atkinson cycle technology that optimizes efficiency while maintaining reliability characteristics that allow confident long-distance travel without mechanical concerns. The naturally aspirated design avoids turbocharging complexity while providing adequate performance when combined with electric motor assistance. Transmission operation demonstrates Toyota's engineering excellence through planetary gear design that operates smoothly while eliminating the mechanical wear associated with conventional automatic transmissions. The electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission provides seamless power delivery while maintaining mechanical simplicity. Electrical system integration manages complex hybrid operation while maintaining reliability that allows owners to ignore system complexity and focus on transportation needs. The sophisticated power management operates transparently while providing backup modes that ensure vehicle operation even if individual components malfunction. Interior quality combines three-row practicality with materials that resist family use while maintaining comfort levels that satisfy long-distance travel requirements. Climate control operates efficiently while accommodating 7 passengers without compromising individual comfort preferences. Safety system reliability provides comprehensive protection without creating false alarms that could train drivers to ignore potentially life-saving warnings. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 operates consistently while maintaining driver engagement rather than creating dependency on automated systems. All-wheel drive capability provides confidence in adverse weather conditions while maintaining fuel economy advantages that make year-round operation affordable despite family size requirements. The system operates automatically when needed while avoiding mechanical complexity that could compromise reliability. Fuel economy achievements consistently exceed EPA estimates through real-world efficiency that makes family transportation affordable regardless of fuel price fluctuations. The hybrid system optimizes consumption automatically while maintaining performance availability when acceleration is needed. These 8 SUVs represent automotive engineering excellence that prioritizes owner satisfaction through reliability that eliminates transportation anxiety. The common characteristics include proven technologies applied with manufacturing precision, conservative approaches to innovation that ensure long-term dependability, and engineering philosophies that value consistent operation over marketing sophistication. Understanding these reliability champions helps buyers focus on vehicles that will provide decades of faithful service rather than years of expensive disappointments. What truly separates these bulletproof SUVs from their failure-prone competitors is their manufacturer's commitment to thorough testing and gradual technological implementation. Rather than rushing unproven systems to market, these brands invest years perfecting each component before integration, ensuring that every system operates flawlessly from day one. Their success proves that reliability isn't accidental, but results from deliberate engineering decisions that prioritize owner peace of mind over quarterly profit margins. When you choose one of these 8 vehicles, you're not just buying transportation, you're purchasing decades of worry-free adventures.